creating a portfolio of evidence in Google Slides, you'll need to have Firefox or Google Chrome open and log into your Gmail account. Click on Slides, Tiles, More, Even More, and then scroll down to Google Slides. From the template gallery, you can choose one of these templates. And from themes, choose an appropriate theme. You'll need to customize your site. Adjust the text boxes as required. Create a summary about the site, and then start adding some evidence. In Google Slides, the best way is to insert text. Then we go back to Google and Google Drive. Click on the document that you want to link to, and then click on Get Shareable Link. Make sure Allow Shareable Link is on, and then back to your portfolio. Highlight the text you want to apply the link to. Insert link and Control V. Apply. Then when you're in Present, and click on the word that you applied the link to, this will take you to your evidence. And you would continue doing this in your portfolio of evidence. Just ensure that on each slide it's just about one topic. Then when you go to the next slide, it's another topic that you're linking your evidence to. And this is how you can create a portfolio of evidence in Google Slides.